having the right blade can make a huge impact on the quality of your cut and the safety, especially when it comes to slide style saws. Most stock blades that come on miter saws are general purpose blades that are great for cutting a variety of materials, but typically they're not the best blade. Miter saws come in a variety of sizes from 7 1/4 all the way up to 12 inches, but 10 inches is very common and you have the most options for picking out blades. Miter saw blades are comprised of the following parts: the steel plate, which is the main body, laser etched cuts to reduce noise and vibration, carbide teeth, which are attached to a process called brazing. Less expensive blades typically have a softer, smaller carbide, where more expensive blades have a harder, larger carbide, which can be sharpened multiple times, and the space between the teeth is called the gullet. And in the center of the blade, a 5/8 arbor hole, which is where the saw blade attaches to the miter box. But some manufacturers make different size arbors. Full kerf blades cut at about 1/8 of an inch and are typically more stable and have less deflection through a cut. Thin kerf blades cut at about 3/32 of an inch and offer less resistance and are better for coreless saws. Finally, many manufacturers apply a protective coating to their blades, which helps reduce friction while cutting. Next, let's talk about tooth geometry. The carbide teeth are cut in a variety of angles designed for specific materials, and there's two general categories. Alternate top bevel, or ATB blades, have teeth that are beveled in opposite directions to one another, which makes for much cleaner cuts across the grain. These teeth, coupled with high tooth count, produce very clean cuts. High angle ATB blades, or high ATB, have a very steep angle, creating a very fine point. These are great for MDF and veneered plywoods. Triple chip grind, or TCG teeth, are ground down on the corners and are great for cutting non-ferrous metals and plastics. The hook angle, also known as the rake, refers to the angle of the tooth in relation to the center of the blade. Higher hook angles make more aggressive cuts. Low to negative hook angles are best for slide style saws. Heavier hook angle blades are good for chop saws and hardwoods. Manufacturers offer a variety of blades designed for specific tasks, and you might end up buying a few more blades than you think you need. A quality blade costs a little bit more, but it's money well spent. And with that investment, you do want to take care of your blades. If you see a lot of pine pitch build up on the teeth, you want to clean that off to make it last longer. Also, if you see a lot of burning or feeling a lot of resistance through your cuts, it might be time to take the blade off, sharpen it, or swap it out with a new one. And remember, a clean, sharp blade is a safe and accurate blade.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.